How to automatically write email address in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Click on the cell where you want email and then type in equal sign. Then press on first name and then write and. Click on second name, which is the last name, and type in and quotation mark @gmail.com. If it's Gmail, you can add yahoo.com if it's Yahoo. Press on enter, but before pressing on enter, add quotation mark again at the last and press on enter. You will find email pop up. To automatically write other emails, you can simply drag it at the bottom and automatically you will find email address in your Excel. This is how to automatically write email address in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.